In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Mindful Souls box. Okay, so as soon as I got my hands on this box, it smells so good. It smells so freaking good. I'm so excited. It just lifted my spirits instantly. I don't know what is in here, but we're going to get into it. But anyways, if you're interested, then keep on watching. We're going to be unboxing Mindful Souls, and Mindful Souls is something that I really, truly love because you know why? They're jewelry pieces. They steal my heart every single month that they send me these boxes. The jewelry pieces, I wear them to events. I wear them in my videos. I wear them out. I love these jewelry pieces. They last. They're high quality. They are really, really good crystals. And so I'm really excited like every single month when I get these, because I know there's jewelry in there. Hopefully there's jewelry in there. And also I smell something in here that's like, I'm just very excited for. But with that being said, Mindful Souls is about $39.97, $39.94, something like that a month. And they also have an online boutique. So anything that you see me unboxing today, you can go to their store and you can just purchase whatever you want. And I love that because sometimes you don't want to invest in the whole box, right? So if you're interested in that. But today we're going to get into what's in here, what the theme is. And I love sharing with you guys what I know off the top of my head, whatever comes into the box, and just sharing that knowledge with you guys. And then on top of that, you guys share with me too in the comments. So I'm very excited. Okay, let's get into it. So as soon as you open it, it says, look at how cute. Look at how pretty this is. And just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. And I feel like that's kind of what's going on right now with the planets and stuff, right? It's just opening up lots of possibilities. I'm going to keep this box. You guys know I will. That's too pretty. I might keep like tea in it, right? Wouldn't that be cute? Now, one thing is, first thing, let's get into the card. So I'm not going to look at the card because I don't want to see what's in the box, but I always love using the front like in a journal or on my fridge or on my mirror or something. These are really, really nice. They're really pretty and it's the evil eye kind of, right? So I'm going to put this right, I'm going to leave that right here so that I don't see what's in here. But I'm working on this video too, you guys. I've been really busy. But I'm working on this video where I share with you guys how to use these pouches because I love these pouches. But the first, it's a ring. It's a ring, you guys. Okay, look at this. Look at this ring. I don't know if you guys can see this. I will show a close-up, but what is this? This is a blue sandstone ring. And it's a man-made stone, but it has made its way into the crystal lovers community because reminds people of galaxy of stars. It's widely believed to possess a range of metaphysical properties. Some claim it improves mood, enhances vitality, increases energy levels. Others rely to clear the mind, drive out negative emotions like anger and anxiety. And it just represents kind of like the night sky. Wow, okay. I mean, I personally prefer natural stones. That's just my preference and that's just what I gravitate towards. But it just looks really freaking pretty. Like really pretty. So this, I told you they're jewelry pieces, right? So pretty. So the next thing that I see is a sticker. Now I really love their stickers. Mindful Souls always has really pretty stickers and I love to put these, like I said, everywhere. Journals, fridge, on your phone, on your water bottles, like anywhere. And it's just really uplifting. So this is basically like, if you can see that, it's a woman with her hair going up into the galaxy. And my hair kind of look crazy right now too. It's really dark. I miss my green. I'm going to do green really soon. I've been saying that for a while, but I just have not gotten the time. But I will be doing it very, very soon. Oh, another thing, you guys, I love their affirmation cards so much. This is going on my fridge today. And it says, affirmation for energy. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy and health. I really love the affirmation cards because every day you look at it, it's just planting seeds in your mind. Whether you even physically or like actually read it or not, it just plants really good things in your subconscious mind. So I'm going to put this in my fridge today. Or not in my fridge, but on my fridge with magnets today. The next thing I see in here, it's a rose water facial mask. Now, I was thinking about doing a mask today. If I had not worn concealer today, you guys would see. Lately, my under eye circles are really, really dark. So I do need to like take care of my skin a little bit. That's your skin hinting it to you. And this looks really good. I'm sure that it smells really good. So what you do is, it's a sheet mask. So you just put it on your skin. It already has everything it needs on it. It's one facial mask, and then you leave it on for 15 minutes, and that's it. I'm gonna do this today while watching a movie. I think that's gonna be such a treat. And also, rose water for your skin, okay, so roses are used for love, charm, beauty, seduction, youthfulness. And this has rose water in it, of course, I'm pretty sure. The ingredients are, chamomile, rose essential oil, cucumber, ginkgo extract. Really, really good ingredients for youthfulness of your skin. Not just actually physically for your skin, but spiritually and magically too. These are herbs of youth, and they bring about the youthfulness of your skin, not just actually, but spiritually too. So that's why I really like that they include beauty products. Oh my god, you guys, I am not even done. Look at how much stuff is still left in the box. Okay, so the first thing I would pull out is this. This is agarbatti, which is incense, and this is what I was smelling. So this is from Ajaro, if you can see it. Ajaro. It smells really good, you guys. Like, this is, you can smell it out of the box, and I love incense like this. Like, when I used to have an Indian store near me, I would go crazy for stuff like this. I would bulk up, and I would just buy so many because it'd be so cheap, and it smells so good. And it says 1111 on here. Oh, that's so funny. Okay, so when you open it up, yeah, this is definitely hand rolled. Like, as soon as you touch it, herbs fall off. Very good incense. I'm gonna burn one today right after this video. I'm gonna go with my partner. We like to do our prayer on our altar, and we like to offer new things that we get always. This is a Satya Hajaro incense, and this is it's for mellow, smooth, sweetness, pleasant scents. Just anytime you need to alleviate stress and feel at peace. And that's kind of what the scent, it gives, like, just peaceful vibes. Like, I would give this to my Hanuman, if you guys are familiar with him. Just strong but peaceful. Really nice. If you guys get this box, just this incense alone is worth the box. Okay, so the next thing I see in here, it's in another pouch. I get so excited for the pouches. You guys know in every single video. So this right here looks like a raw amethyst, I'm guessing. No. Yeah, wait. It's a lepidolite chunk. I've never heard of this crystal. It's very purpley. If you can see, very purpley. Kind of matches the set. Let me turn the light down if you guys, is that too bright? Is that better? Let me know if the lighting was the first half better or the second half is better. But this is really pretty. Looks like raw amethyst, but it's not. And this is something that many people can benefit from by overcoming emotional and mental dependence. Supports addictions, and it promotes independent self-love and confidence. So anytime I get a new crystal, what I love to do, this is really fun for me, and I always recommend people to do it too, is you cleanse it, of course, and then you sleep with it under your mattress. And then you see what dreams you get and how you feel with it underneath your pillow. And it teaches you how your connection with the crystal, how you both interact. So that's something I like to do, and this is something... I have a list and a pile of crystals right there, right behind you guys on my desk that I need to research, and I want to learn how to use them and teach you guys also how to use them. So this is going in that pile because I don't know anything about this crystal, and I'm really excited to research. If my hair looked a little messed up during the first half of the video, I am sorry. I have not brushed it yet. I'm trying to just kind of let it do its own thing until I dye it. So it's looking a little weird right now. It feels like a broom, but I'm going to take care of it, don't worry. Now, the next thing we're going to get into is another pouch, And what's in here is another, what is this? Oh, so this is rough peacock copper. If you guys can see, you guys can see from like, hold on, let me put it by my hair. Ooh, look at that. That is really, really cute. Now, this is a stone of happiness and joy, and it turns you into a more positive direction. Oh my god, I just got the best idea. You guys, I'm gonna do spells with this and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. I know exactly what to do with these crystals, and I will teach you guys to do it, and I'm gonna show even more deeper things on my Patreon and on my OnlyFans, but I am gonna use the heck out of these crystals, you guys. I'm very excited. These are really, really good crystals. If you have them, use them, and I'll teach you how. But if you don't have them, get this box because it's really cute, it's nice, and just feeling them and having them in my hands, really good crystal. Especially to just turn things around. This kind of reminds me of the energy of a malachite crystal. If you guys know what malachite is, this is what it feels like, just for pure transformation and to turn things around and really to just get your way in a happy, positive note, of course, but always to get your way. Really good crystal. I'm really excited to work with this. So make sure you have your notifications on and you subscribe. So every video that I upload, like this got me really excited, and I'm going to be doing spells with this, of course, for sure, for you guys. And do you guys see something? My eyeshadow today, does it not match? Isn't that weird? Okay, so the next baggie that I have here, it is a necklace. I told you guys, their jewelry pieces are so freaking pretty. I love this. Look at how cute this is. Do you guys see? So what is this? This is a black agate necklace, or some people say agate. It says black agate is believed to attract good fortune. Yes. Increased concentration, clarity, as well as strength and courage. It's also great to wear black agate necklace when we seek protection, success, or energy. This is beautiful. Of course, first energy that's going to be wearing this is going to be my Kali. I'm going to offer this to her. She's going to wear it, and then I'm going to borrow it from her. This is beautiful. Just the detailing on here. I don't know if you can see this detailing. It's gorgeous. It looks like a chess piece, or like something like, to me it reminds me of something like Khaleesi would wear in Game of Thrones. Or it's like the characters in Game of Thrones would wear this. Which, by the way, the new one came out. If you guys have seen it, let me know. What did you think? Did you like it? I haven't seen it yet, so don't give me no spoilers. But I want to watch it. I want to see it. I'm excited. I might wear this while I watch it. This is beautiful. Okay, now we're finally down to the last baggie. And let's see what's in here. It is a bracelet. Their bracelets are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. If you guys can see this, do you see? How freaking cute is this? It's an amethyst druzy bracelet, and it's a stone of peace, emotional protection, and sobriety. When placed against the skin, it works as a natural stress reliever. I love it. I love this. This stone is about staying grounded while maintaining some higher spiritual perspective. Wearing it while meditating is said to deepen your practice, which amethyst crystals do that. The other crystals around it, I'm not sure what it is. It looks kind of like labradorite. I'm pretty sure it's kind of like moonstone or labradorite. But this is a beautiful, beautiful bracelet. Their bracelets are so freaking cute. You know what? You know what I just got an idea of? What if I did like a whole Mindful Souls jewelry haul? Because I know that in their boutique, you can get any of the jewelry that I show you if it's still available there, right? So if I just showed you an entire jewelry collection that I have from Mindful Souls, because I'm obsessed with their jewelry. I don't wear any other jewelry. So I think that would be a really fun idea. Let me know. I think that'd be really fun. I can maybe go to a park for you guys and make it really pretty and fun. Okay? So again, like I said, the jewelry pieces are amazing. Everything in this box was really good. Well worth all of that. For about $40, you get jewelry, you get crystals, you get incense. You just got so much. And you know what? I'm really excited to get into these things and show you guys more videos of how to use it. I'll leave a link down below to Mindful Souls if you guys are interested. And with that being said, I will talk to you guys very, very soon.